It's your boy Kink. Come back with another video of how to make an airplane. Okay, first you want to do is fold it like this, then open it. And what you want to do is do it with the thing on the line. Get one of the line. You can do it the same way like this one. Okay. Next is you'll want to fold it like this and do the same way to the other one. Okay, the same way to the other one. Then what you want to do is fold it again like that. Then do this. You want to do that. And do this same way. And that you make your jet airplane. What you want to do is you're going to fold it because it will spin around. Fold it. Then do the other one same way like this. And there you go. You have your jet airplane. Subscribe.